viewers first update to enga takshen all of the nagete ULB election de enga viral ekta clip tha dole ekta magi ke slap kurina voter takshe taibi ekta genuine voter takshe taike slap kora dole etu bishi viral jase enga to hobo na lage and moi condemn kora ase aru etu election model code of conduct tebi ahe ki physically assault kuru na lage voter khan ke aru voter khan ke mohan enga jaina harassment holibi ki holibi to kuru na lage etu first update ekta apni khan ke short pora janai dibo pare ase. First, total Nagaland ULB election the percentage wise sabo into polling for the urban local body election in Nagaland peacefully came to close. Peacefully khotom hoise Wednesday with the provincial poll percentage 83.54. The state election commission said a total of 523 candidates including 325 male and 198 female. 325 male takshe or 198 female history ase to where in the contest across 24 ULB spread across 420 polling station and 214 ward 420 polling station takshe or 214 ward takshe. The poll went smoothly in all polling station except in one under the Dimapur Municipal Council, the matter of which is under the examination of State Election Commission for further action. Ekta word etu apni bhi janina ase etu kobolo bhi mon nai etu ward te dolop jhamela ulaise. Also the SEC informed that Atuizo Town Council recorded the highest voter turnout with a poll percentage of 95.47%, while Changyotongya Town Council registered the lowest turnout with 67.70%. तो eneka ase highest hoile to sabi aphan Atuizo town te ase aru lowest hoile Changyotongya town te ase. Repoll hobola ase if any will be taken on June 28 as notified in the election program. The counting of the vote will be held on June 29 at the approved counting center. Itu to eneka update eneka ase repolling bi aji hoye ase apni konba konba jaga te apni saw par ase video hante etu short update apni ke janai dibo par ase.